Got a little one, little guy. And he's gonna go. There's another one.
There's a green bass, no?
Oh, it's a trout.
Oh, it's a trout?
Yeah. Very beautiful. That's awesome. I'm gonna leave that there and go grab my net. Keep falling off. I'm just gonna have to walk down in there. Oh god. No wonder I was gonna get a bite. Weeds all on my fly. Got one. Oh, I missed some. Oh, I see one in that corner over there. It's a little tiny guy, but it's fine. This is a cool spot. Look at that. Oh, got it. Got him. Little guy, but it's nice. Try to keep him in the water as long as I can. There he is. Sometimes I catch a lot more trout. I was just gonna say that right there at that edge of the little waterfall area. Sometimes they only bite once and that's it. Keep moving on. This is amazing over here. I'm gonna go down. Oh, missed him. Damn. I had that too. It's stuck in. spots down there. Really good pole. Just gotta get down there. Look at that pool. Holy cow, there's some big ass logs just moved on me. Okay, I'm gonna bite, got him. That's a good trout right there. Oh my god, that's the biggest one I've caught out of all of these trout. The brown trout. Look at that, it's a freaking brown. Colors are so nice. He's gonna get let go because I'm not killing this one. I didn't even know I had one right there. Got one. Another good size. Look at it's another brown trout. Sliding down. Oh, it is. It's another brown. Must be in the brown territory because I wasn't catching these a little bit higher up. Second brown trout I've caught. That spot looks like another trout would be right there. Making way too much noise. This water bottle. It's all banging on this thing. Fish is so sensitive they could feel all that banging. There's another good sized pool down there. Really nice looking. I'm noticing the brown trout in those little big pockets like that one. Oh, got another one. Yep. Another brown. Another brown. I'm gonna let him go over here. Calmer area. There he is though, guys. That's like my third brown trout. Nothing but browns in this area. Rainbows were all up top, and these are all brown trout. I think brown trout eat rainbows, so that's why there's no rainbow. I haven't seen a person in like the last hour or so. I don't know. Right where the end of the white water, usually that's where the fish are at. Yep, gonna bite. Oh, missed him. Oh, he's biting it. Oh, missed him again. Getting a bite. Oh, missed him. He'll bite it because he's not actually getting hooked or anything. This one might have left already. Sometimes they bite and they move on. They don't catch it, they move on. Try a different spot. Just keep going, huh? That is awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. I enjoy fishing and coming out to these places and just showing you guys. Oh, I got the weed. Now I got the branch. Let's go to the next spot. This looks like a spot for some more browns. I thought I had one already. I was like, I got one. Oh, that was a hard pull, man. I missed it. Keep missing that. Missed it twice. Yep, fighting it. Oh, I missed it. Feels like I'm going on a little dry spot. A little dry spell. Got him. Oh, I lost it. But I knew it was down there. Sometimes these spots look good, but there's just nothing there. Or they just don't like what I got, or can't see it right. Keep on moving. Oh, look at that bird over there. He's that diving bird. I wonder if I just left all the trout behind. I'm just not seeing any more trout, and I think I'm not getting any more bites. caught another one down there. Well, I seen it take off. Oh my gosh. This is a good coral. Branch is ready to fall any minute or trees from it. Oh, missed him. Oh, that's a waterfall right there. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but this is pretty dangerous. Straight drop right there, and way up here. Woo. We are high. That area looks so nice. Down there. I slid down that area right now. Yep. That's high. Damn. That's so cool. Fresh. Man, this feels like ice right here. Oh, that's why I'm missing all my trout. My hook is broken. Okay, this is what I've been using all day. The last like 30 minutes I was like getting fish over and over. And I just noticed my hook is broken, so that's why I wasn't catching nothing no more. Got a new one though. Alright, today has been fresh but still warm. I'm gonna jump in this water and see how cold it is. I've gotten wet up to my waist only. So I'm gonna actually get in the water. Feels like it came off a glacier. You guys feel it? I felt like my body was in shock right now. Go back under. Whew. I'm dreading this. I already felt how cold it was. Woo. Man. My hat came off. Yep. It is icy. But it feels so good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to dry this off. I'm gonna keep fishing though. I'm a lot cooler. Alright, let's keep going. Look at that spot. New fly. Different area. Oh no. The new fly is stuck. I just have to rescue it. And I think that's my last one. That style of fly. Got under that. That's why it's scary. This is a cool spot. Most likely I did. Once you step into an area where you're fishing, especially on this type of river, you're pretty much done in that spot. That's what I've come to realize. But you throw it a little bit further, at least 10 feet above you, to where you, oh, missed it. Yeah, so about 10 feet above you, if you throw your line, you know, you'll get back to a good spot. That is a deep pool right there. You fall into that one, that's a dangerous spot. Those are the spots that kind of get me trapped. Let's try past this. I do climb over a lot of stuff trying to get to these spots sometimes. All that down there looks great. Like I'm gonna start catching again. All those little pockets. I honestly don't know how far I walked today. Whoa. I know I've gone far though. Got them, but I missed them. Another one, little guy. Quite a bit in this little pocket. Got him that time. Hey guys. A bigger rainbow. This spot has to have a trout. Look at the way it looks. Good sized trout too. Damn. This one's big, guys. This is a massive trout so far. It's beautiful. Sign of good luck. Butterfly, or ladybug, I mean. Let's get out of here. Let's see what it's like. You guys want to see where I'm at? I am probably about 4 or 5 miles in from where I started. Without thinking, I've just been going. Haven't seen anybody, Some bear tracks, deer tracks. So yeah, there's animal tracks instead of people tracks. That's time for me to go back. I caught, I don't know how many. Just heard something. Yeah. There's more animal tracks here than there are people tracks, so I am far in here. That's alright. Had a great time. See? All the tracks. Let you know how it goes. See? Those are all animal tracks right here. None of them are from a person. Wait. That's a footprint from me. So I haven't seen nobody though in a long time. Yep, that's why I had a good fishing day. So I had nobody here. I have a rock in my shoe. I keep thinking, should I pull over and just get it out? Can't afford to get hurt. Too far in here. Big tree. So quiet. Nice. Look at these flowers. Like purple and orange. Orangish red. They look really cool.